Looking to take stress out of holiday cooking? Try these shortcuts from the dairy and freezer aisles that taste homemade without all the work. For appetizers, dress up heat and eat frozen potato skins, pot stickers, taquitos, and meatballs with your favorite sauces and dips. For a side dish everyone loves, add butter, sour cream, or shredded cheese to give store-bought refrigerated mashed potatoes a real boost. They're the real thing without all the peeling and mashing. Save time with frozen Brussels sprouts, butternut squash, cauliflower, or green beans, since all the washing, peeling, and chopping is done for you. Starting with refrigerated biscuits and rolls means no mixing or kneading is required. Or pick up frozen rolls, breadsticks, or garlic bread. Top your favorite frozen pie, whether you simply thaw it or bake it, with whipped topping or ice cream. This year, let the dairy and freezer aisles be your holiday helpers. For lots of easy recipes and holiday ideas, visit easyhomemeals.com.